In this video, I will guide you how to add 0 to the phone number in Excel. This is the simple formula you can ever use. And for example, if your numbers are in column A and you want the results in column B, then enter this formula in the cell B1. So put the equal sign, double quote, type 0, double quote, use the ampersand and select the first cell reference, hit enter. And here is the magic done. The 0 have been added with the mobile number. So drag the bottom right corner of the cell to fill the rest of the columns. And now Control C and move to the next column and right click on the paste special and click on the values, click OK. So when you delete this first A column, you can see that the second B reference column has been disturbed. So when you make it copy space special value, then it will not disturb. So I hope now you have understand how you can add 0 to the phone number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.